Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your iPad to sign documents. Begin by locating the document you need to sign, perhaps in your Files app or from an email attachment. Simply tap the document to open it. Once the document is open, look for the share icon, which often resembles a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tapping this will reveal various options, including the ability to mark up the document. Now, let's add your signature. After opening the share sheet, select the markup option, which typically looks like a pen tip. Inside the markup interface, tap the plus sign in the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, choose Signature. You can then draw a new signature with your finger or stylus, or select one you have saved previously. With your signature now on the document, it's time to position it correctly. Simply tap and drag the signature block to move it precisely over the signature line. You will see blue dots at each corner of the signature box. Drag these dots inward or outward to resize your signature. Make sure it looks proportional and fits neatly within the designated space, appearing professional and clear. Many documents require more than just a signature, such as a date or your printed name. To add these, go back to the markup tools, tap the plus sign, and this time select Text. A text box will appear on your document. Tap it to open the keyboard and type in the current date or any other necessary information. You can also change the font size and color for better visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.